All right, Newport, California. And that's results of the simulator. And I'm going to tape it. I'm not a Jeff P., so I can't explain it. It's just... Alright, hey, that's on. Alright, I'm on program in progress. And we're in Botswana because I just like to hang out here and see what's new. And different shaped creatures, you know. I'm into it. Anyways, program in progress.
Spanning over 20 years for all the big networks at lindaparis.com, and you can see the stories that I've written for the Southampton Press at historymysterymurder.com. And this week I will be revamping my blog. It's not a blog, it's a website, and I'm going to start calling it that from now on. It is a website, and you can see my website at deplorablemcallister.com, and I've been a little snarky on that website, and I'm going to keep on being snarky. If anything happens to this channel, go to deplorablemcallister.com, and you will always be able to find my videos there. So I want to make sure that people know where to find my videos, deplorablemcallister.com, and remember, I'm doing Beyond the Headlines on Friday nights with Thomas on Thomas's channel. So if anything happens to my channel, you can always tune in to Beyond the Headlines on Friday night and find out where I'll be. But you can, in the meantime, if you want to, you can just go to Deplorable McAllister. Deplorablemcallister.com is where you go to find my videos. I'll just upload them there. So here we have post 3622, and Q leaves us a link to a Twitter post, and it says The Great Awakening. Where we go one, we go all. Q. And here is the Twitter post. It's a QAnon meeting at Tampere, Finland. I think that's how you say that, Tampere. And so, worldwide, baby. Worldwide. And if you go down here, there's a lot of different photographs from a few patriots all over the world, because we're all patriots. We all love our country. And we all want our countries back. And we're all with you, Finland. Worldwide, baby. Worldwide. So, put that in your pipe and smoke it. So we go back to Q, and it says The Great Awakening. Where we go one, we go all. You got that right. Okay. So now we're at 3623, and this is it's a video of our amazing, beautiful, actually this one right here it seems like they've been told to not be nice to our president. Why should he have to answer these stupid questions when the other side it's dripping with evidence that these people did something wrong? All because fake news is lying? They have to pretend like the information isn't out yet. When it's out there, we're reporting on it. Day after day after day after day, we've been doing so for the past 2 years, and these clowns are up there acting like, oh, well, there really is no information out there yet through any reliable news sources. Go screw yourselves so you can figure out how to do it. You people make me so sick, and I used to like this guy, but I do not like the way he is talking to our president. So that's what I have to say about that. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't watch Fox anymore. I don't even like watching these little segments with people that I used to like. We can see you. You know that? We see what you're doing. We see how you're all being blackmailed and you're all being told what to say. Suddenly, he has to defend these things. Why? It's already, the transcript is out. Can you not read, you big apes? I swear to God, these people remind me of apes. Trained apes. That's what they remind me of. They're dumb. They don't do anything that they're not told to do. And they don't do it well. Obviously, we're all awake. Please forgive me. Ugh. So yeah, finally, at time code 16 minutes, he says, the president says, are we going to be sending massive amounts of money that simply goes into other people's personal bank accounts? Theft? I mean, why should he have to say this while this clown right here tries to act like he did something wrong and he's covering something up when the entire transcript has already been released, you moron? Why aren't you defending the president? Why aren't you standing up for him? You are showing your true colors. Well, Fox is 86 in my house. The only reason I'm looking at it now is because Q. Yeah, are we going to be sending massive amounts of money that simply goes into other people's personal, and that's in Killbox, bank accounts? Not an account. Not Biden's personal son's personal bank account. Not Hunter Biden's bank account. Bank accounts, plural. And there's a little sketchy matter of some 7-point-some-odd millions of dollars that Adam Schiff has. Was it worth it? Because here's the thing. Obama pardoned them. As of now, he is still a legitimate president, so those pardons stand. Once
Whoa, what's that?
All the buzz, y'all. Why are you taking my presidency away from me? What's all the buzz, y'all? I can dance. Let's dance. Come on, everybody.
Something
Let's forget
stuck
about
to
it.
the lens?
Come on, let's dance. You know, once he becomes stripped of his presidency, all bets are off.
Could be a
And
spider of
that's
some
what we do
sort.
every day. The court systems are going to be busy enough straightening out this mess. So, yeah, what's all the buzz? What's all the buzz? I think Blozo's got a personal bank. One of these S's over here is for a Blozo and Big Mike Moochie. Moochie the Mooch. Moosey the Mooch. You could say Moosey the Mooch. I kind of like that, Moosey the Mooch. Or you could say Moochie the Moose. Take your pick. So no, we're not going to let that happen. Theft. That's why, because it's theft. And it's in the kill box. Personal bank accounts. Plural. You got Schiffs in there. You got a bunch of people in there.
Makes you want to go for a walk in the dark, eh?
Because his son's involved. And probably, nauseous Nancy. Nauseating Nancy. I'm working on it. Don't forget, I got N-words, nauseous, nauseating Nancy. And I've also got P-words for Pelosi. So they all have personal bank accounts, all of them. They have for years. Now, are we going to send massive amounts of money that simply goes into other people's personal bank accounts and help them to steal from us? No. Who audits where foreign aid actually goes? Nobody. And they know this. Foreign aid, that's why they always want foreign aid from us. And they're always raising funds and stealing funds. They don't even report where this money goes. Remember when the Pentagon lost, $3 trillion or $11 trillion? I've lost count of how many trillions of dollars that the government has lost over the past 50 years. And some of it, I'm sure, is absolutely hidden. So something needs to give here. And this clown right here who's holding the president after the whole thing has been, the transcript has been read, you clown. Quit acting like he has to answer for something. He doesn't. Only in your fake news world. You phony, you fake. I used to like this guy until this interview. And so thanks for opening my eyes, Q. So nobody audits it. and the president has every single right. Actually, there's a treaty between the Ukraine and the U.S., and it was enacted during the Clinton administration, where we are supposed to be working with them. So, you know what? It's a treaty. We're supposed to be. He's doing exactly what he's supposed to be doing. He's doing exactly what he's supposed to be doing. So get your hands out of that shape and open your eyes, you holier-than-thou creep. I got so mad at that guy. I can't think of his name, and I'm never going to learn it again. So, this is the way it works. Foreign aid goes to country X. And country X is in the kill box. It doesn't matter which country you put in there. Those countries where we send foreign aid and they put it in their piggy banks, all those ones that are represented by X are in the kill box. Foreign aid goes to country X, to the personal bank accounts of, and they're all in the kill box, plus U.S. persons involved. Personal bank accounts plus U.S. persons involved. So, that means that all the people involved have personal bank accounts. All the U.S., all the people, this is what I think it means, okay? Whenever I say it means this, what I really mean is what I think it
This
means.
video's a little more for me than anything else, so if you watched it, I hope you liked it. I'm just kind of into these things.